Hi, my name's Erica and I'm a graphic designer at Adobe. The challenge I have for you today is to take a pattern that you've designed yourself and fold it into a jumping origami frog. I recommend this activity for ages 8 and up because the folding can be a little bit tricky, but with the help of an adult, any child can do this. Let's get started. All you need for this project is a square piece of thin paper and something to draw with. Take whatever markers, pencils, or paints you have and doodle until you fill up the whole entire page. When you're done, cut the square in half to make a skinny rectangle and an extra for another frog. Now I'll show you how to fold the frog. Start by flipping the paper over. Fold the top left corner of the paper down to form a triangle, then open it back up again. Repeat with the other corner. Your fold will form an X. Fold the top edge down at the center of the X. Open it up again and fold in the lines as shown. Next, fold the bottom edge up to the center. Next, I'm moving the top flaps out of the way to fold the right edge into the center, so that it lies underneath the top triangle. Repeat for the left side. Fold the bottom edge up to the center to form a rectangle. Then fold each corner of the rectangle down to meet the bottom again. Undo the folds you just made, then reach inside and pull out the tabs as shown. Fold the corners of the triangle upward to form the front legs of the frog. Fold the bottom flaps downward, then fold them upward again to form the back legs. Finally, fold the bottom half of the frog upward as far as it will go, then fold the top edge of that piece down to meet the bottom again. I had to fix my frog's leg a little bit. That's it! You made your own jumping frog. As a last touch, draw on a face and other details. Try experimenting with different papers and patterns to make a whole family of frog friends. And don't forget to share what you've made on Instagram with the hashtag AHKFrogs.